Worst motor test ever. Hey internet. I've never really made a motor before. Doesn't seem super complicated. So I thought I would give it a whirl just for fun. Lid motor, that guy's pretty awesome. He can do it, I can do it, right? All right, so I made some coils. I've got them bodged together in a Y configuration. I've got an L293 here and power supply. I'm gonna juice this up at zero point 0.7 amps at 6 volts. Here we go. All right, see my coils. They're doing a little coil dance. And if I can hold them, oh, whoa, coils. All right, here we go. Try to get the feel the field. Oh, it actually works. That's awesome.